13,011, and I am going to start by putting together. If you go to Caesarfield Complex Terraces, you can see these two minifigs. I'm going to show there of how to make that. Make Sword of Fire, which is, I think, this thing. Let's see the finishing part. Yeah, it's this thing here. I'm going to build that, I guess. No, I'm not building that. I'm building this. What was the finishing product? I don't know. Anyways, I'm building that, whatever. So, this is all I've gotten done so far. So, let's get started. This Lego piece does this. Wow! And I'm starting to find this piece here, which is this piece, but in gray. I'm having troubles. Do you see it? Here's what it looks like so far. Does it look like the picture? Do you think this is going to be? So apparently these things are for the wheels. What you do is you take this and this, and you put it in there like this. Okay, and then you take this part and put it on this side of the vehicle. Sorry guys, everything. This, I am just not organized today, sorry. And now this thing keeps falling off. I don't know why. It's not enough room for a minifig, as you can see. Do you guys have an idea of how to get Legos to freaking fit on these dang things? They never wanna fit. They always fall off on me. Anyway, that's the first part I made, which is the vehicle. Or you can put maybe a ninja sitting right here. God, you can't even put a ninja standing right there. Okay, never mind, but yeah. I know if you're like that. So yeah, there's the first part. The second part is this. Focus your damn camera. Now it's focused. Next part is this one, which is the planes. So, and it looks like that with the little Freemakers. So I just got done making that. Yay! We are going to make the cannonball part. Okay? So you just take this, set it right there, push it down, and then the fire looking thing is supposed to go right here, but I don't know if it'll fit. So, give me a sec. Or maybe it's just sitting next to it or something like that. I don't know. Here's the picture. I don't really know. I think it's just sitting on there. But anyways, the next thing I will make, after making these two items, is the big giant piece right here. So here we go. This is as far as I've gotten so far. It's supposed to look like that. I can't find this other gray piece. I find this black one, but it wants gray, and I don't know where the gray is. Do you see it? Oh, I see it. It's right there. And then we're just gonna put it on this side. So they match. And the next piece I'll need is these towels. Put right here. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. I take the sword. his bag. Put it in here. I'm done this floor so far. Now I'm trying to find these little pieces here, which is right here. And put those on, and then soon I'll have this. I just got done making this piece. See? That will go on top of that. So let me show you how to do that. Let me put the book down so I can show you. And then put this sword back in because I took it out so I could put the pieces in. And voila. You got all these pieces. Let me set this up. Sorry. Just wanted to set this up so I can show you guys real quick. And my minifig drops to the ground. See, I don't like him because he doesn't stay. And then he can't stay standing because he'll just drop like that. So we'll just set him over there. And there you have it. The first set is done. I'll probably make the other sets too. But here's a bunch of extra pieces from that set because there's other sets. There's a lot of pieces missing from that. Like a lot of pieces not together from that set. So, because when I turn the page, oh, I guess I have more to put on that set. So, we continue, I guess. We got more to add to this thing right here, which is right down there on the floor. So, let's get started. One side completed. Apparently there's a black knife and a gold knife. And the ninja is supposed to have black knife, but I like the ninja to have gold knife. He'll look better. What do you think? So that's that half. Now we're going to make that one next and put it right there. This stupid page get on my freaking nerves. It keeps falling off. Freaking falling off. When I'm trying to put those green pieces, it goes like right in the middle here. And it just won't stay in the middle. I'm trying to get these green pieces on here. And I'm like shaking like a leaf for some reason because I do that with little pieces. And I'm sweating like a pig. So. Okay, I got one side in. You can see. Let's get this side in. Without shaking. Okay, there's what it looks like. Now we gotta do this little thing here. We're making this and then putting them on the ends here. So let's get started. There we go, we have one made. We need to make a second one. And then it'll go on top of here like so. Here's what it looks like with them on there. And now we turn the page and we gotta make this little critter right here with all these extra pieces. That looks tough, but I think I can do it. Let's hope for it and let's see. So, here's what I have so far. It's coming on. Now the fun part is taking the rest of the hands, I guess, putting them there, and then making this device and putting it on top of there. It's getting difficult, but I think I can manage it. We'll see. Sorry, I was on a roll and I forgot what I was filming, but these little things here were harder than crap, so make sure when you put your skeleton guy together, you got the right sections where these all go in the same way, because you're going to need them for here. And then I have to make this device, which is right here. and somehow attach it to here. And then make that device and attach it to here, and so on. And then I think I'm done. This thing right here looks uber cool. Lots of pieces. Okay, I have 2 pieces left over. That must be for another set on here, like to make this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna, since this took forever to do, I'm just gonna not make the others right now, but maybe tonight or something, if my nephew doesn't mess this up. I will get those out. Let's put all the pieces together and show you what it looks like. And the leftover pieces will go right there. So yeah. Thank you for watching this set. This is for 6 and up. Makes 15 Schön Lego models. I don't know, we just made this set that's on the top here. I don't know what set number this is, but yeah, it's one of those Ninjas Lego set. So we just made this one, and if my nephew doesn't destroy it, we'll probably do that one next. So you might want to stay tuned for a tour of that if I do it tonight. I don't know. Just depends on what I'm doing. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Make sure you also check out Jay Stefford's Lego creations. Those are very awesome Lego creations he has. Not only subscribe to me, but subscribe to him. And thank you. And I'm glad I could do all this tutorial for you.